you guys, it is time for the very highly requested video showing you how to make these aroma fresheners for your car with glitter on them. I'm trying to stand outside so you can see the glitter in this one, but hope you can see it pretty good. But go ahead, watch away. I did this video thinking that you've already watched one of the earlier videos showing you a step-by-step on how to make them, so this is kind of a intermediate, I would say. Alright, enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, your first few steps are going to be identical to the regular air fresheners that I've made in previous videos. You're going to get your metal cookie cutter. Make sure it's metal because plastic will melt in your oven. And you're going to get your nail that has a flat top like this. You need the flat top so that it rests flat on your sheet because that's what you're going to use to make your hole for your string for your ornament. Alright, do that. And then pick your aroma beads of your choice. I've already scented these and they've been in this jar for a while now. This is cupcake flavor. That was upside down, wasn't it? This is cupcake flavor. And like I said, I get my scents from scentdeals.com. There are other websites. That's just the one that I use regularly. They don't know I exist, so I'm not really promoting them. I'm just letting you know where I get mine from. I buy the beads unscented, and then I buy the scents and I scent them myself. So let's fill up our cookie jar about 3/4 of the way full. I said cookie jar. Let's fill up our cookie cutter about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, now that our cookie cutter is full, I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 7 minutes for my oven. Your oven may only take 5, so I would start at 5 and check it and then gradually increase until you get the beads melted the way you want them melted. They will change colors when they warm up and get melted. They'll be darker and they'll look wet. So usually the edges will start to get darker and warmer first. So as soon as your center is wet, that's when you're ready to take them out. It shouldn't take you longer than 7 minutes. Alright, so my ornament has been in the oven for 7 minutes now, and you'll see it's all kind of dark around the edges now. It's like a dark red instead of that bright reddish purple that it was before. When it cools down completely, it will go back to the original color, but before it cools down, we want to add our glitter. And I'm just using this glitter I picked up from Walmart. Alright, and just sprinkle it on. It's going to be messy, but it's alright. You can just shake it off later. I'll give you a close-up. And you want to do it while your ornament is still warm so that the glitter will stick to the beads. If you wait till it cools down, you can probably guess what's going to happen. You'll pick up your ornament and your glitter will just slide right off and make an even bigger mess. Okay, I've let this cool off about 15 minutes now, and it should pop up pop right off of the pan real easily. The question I get the most is people tell me that their scents stick to the pan. The biggest problem with that is you're probably not letting it cool long enough. I'm telling you, just don't rush it. Let it cool as much as it wants, and it will pop off perfectly. And it should pop right out of your cookie cutter as well, with just minimal pressure. Ta-da! I'm just going to shake off any loose glitter, and then I'm going to pop my little nail out right here. I like to just kind of push it like this and use the pan to push down. And then since mine's a screw, I can just kind of turn it and unscrew it out. Okay, so after it is all done, there it is with its glittery sparkles in it. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to trim the edge to get all these little pointy parts off. I'm just going to cut those with the scissors like I always do. Put my string through it and ta-da!